Hello, everybody. Marty Richards with Greater Richland Tourism here today. And the weather's awesome. The Rodeo Drive-In is open. On June 6th, the Aquatic Center will be open, the outdoor splash pad and the slides and everything. So that tells me there's one other thing that's following right after that everybody enjoys. And yep, you're right. That would be the 2026 June Dairy Days and Rodeo Parade. So that parade is happening on Saturday, June 13th with the kickoff at 10:30. However, to make a parade extra special, we need some folks in the parade. So we have already got some marching bands that have committed. They're going to join us. We know that our local law enforcement and our military units will be there. But what makes a parade really extra special are those 4-H clubs, the civic groups, the businesses, and I really enjoy it when I get to see some of that old steel rolling down the road. That's right, collector tractors, trucks, cars. Really enjoy seeing that little bit of nostalgia and Americana that we all remember, and even younger folks now enjoy seeing. So if you are that civic group that hasn't filled out the registration yet, or you're the 4-H club looking to get into the parade, or maybe you have your own marching band that we don't know about that you'd like to join in, we're always interested in unique entrants into the Dairy Days and Rodeo Parade. So what I would ask you to do is just hit the link here on this post and go ahead and fill out that registration form. Or if you're somebody that doesn't really enjoy online registrations, you can always call us 608-630-2452. We'll have that above as well. But we really enjoy folks joining in on the fun. Again, that's Saturday, June 13th. The start is at 10:30. Every year now, since 2020, basically, this parade has gotten more entrants. It's grown. Join in. The horses will be there from the Wisconsin State High School Rodeo, which you can also enjoy that weekend. But we really encourage that you register ahead. It's free, doesn't cost a dime. But join in on our boot scooting and dairy rooting fun for the 2026 June Dairy Days and Wisconsin State High School Rodeo Parade right here in Richland Center, and get your entrant in so we can get you slotted in and lined up for the parade. For Greater Richland Tourism, I'm Marty Richards. Let's everybody have a great day.